Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Bitcoins account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Bitcoins account, firstly go ahead and open up your Bitcoin application. The official page of Bitcoin application will appear on the screen. Enter your email address and click on arrow icon. By continuing, you'll agree to the terms and conditions of Bitcoin. An email will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Open your Gmail and tap on Mail sent by Bitcoin. Click on Login. You will be signed in to your Bitcoin account in no time. You will then end up on the home page of Bitcoin. This is how you can log into your Bitcoin account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.